Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Martin, and in this tutorial today I will be showing you how to download videos from Facebook for free. Facebook is easily the world's most popular social network with an estimated 2 billion registered users, and every day millions of users make use of this platform to stream and upload videos. However, there's a downside to this, as Facebook offers no option for downloading video contents directly from its platform. So if you come across one or two videos which you would like to download directly to your device from Facebook, unfortunately that won't be possible. Although I have the perfect solution to your problems, and I can show you an easy and free way to download this video from Facebook. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a free online video platform called SaveFrom. With SaveFrom, you can easily download your favorite videos from Facebook and other video streaming platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, MySpace, and the rest of them. So just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and see how it's done. To start up with, you're gonna visit this URL on your browser, SaveFrom.net. Remember, I told you earlier on that I'll be using SaveFrom to demonstrate this tutorial. So go to a browser and visit this web page, SaveFrom.net. So the page has opened up, and the next thing we need to do is to get the link. Get the link to the video which you want to download from Facebook. So I choose this one. I click on the timestamp and copy link address. I go back to SaveFrom.net and type our link in. So let's wait for it to process. Awesome. So our video has finished processing, and we've been presented with the option of downloading directly on our laptop. So I can also choose which format to download the video from, which is HD or SD. So I choose HD, and as you can see in the bottom bar, our video started downloading. Perfect. So let's check out our downloaded video. It's finished downloading, so let's check out what it looks like. So just click on open. That's how you can download videos from Facebook for free using this free online video download platform called SaveFrom.net. And you can also install the SaveFrom.net extension on your browser with just a single click. That would also make it easier for you to download those videos from Facebook without having to visit the platform itself. And remember, I told you this platform comes in handy, as you can also download videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, Instagram, SoundCloud, Dailymotion, and so many others, about 40 of them actually. So I hope you've been able to learn something from this, and I urge you to continue watching my channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel as well. Keep on sharing, and I will be putting up more helpful tutorials. Just in case you have any suggestion or you want me to do a tutorial on any topic of your choice, you can use the comment section to leave your suggestion for me. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you found this tutorial helpful, I also have a written tutorial just in case you still like to get more insight on how it's done. I have a written tutorial which I did on my blog, and you can find the link in the description section of the video. Thanks for now. Keep watching and sharing my content, and don't forget to invite your friends to subscribe to my channel as well. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.